And we are sure this is just the beginning of our amazing pageant story.
For a moment, akala ko judge na.
Right.
You know, the view from there is something din. I mean, iba kasi when you're watching backstage and watching them on stage, iba yung mga paandar nila,
Exactly.
yung mga ginagawa nila, saka mas malamig dito sa baba.
Oo nga.